Can you imagine yourself the world where you can manifest not only seeing the green car or getting the free coffee, but actually any dream of yours, any big dream of yours, no matter how big it is, in just a couple of days? Or if you don't believe that you can manifest something huge in just 2 or 3 days, how about you at least manifest yourself a major movement for this goal? How about that? And here I want to share my specific story, my success story about how I manifested something huge and juicy for myself in a very short period of time. Now get yourself comfortable and let's get into the topic of today's video. To start, you know that I have recently started this YouTube channel, and also I have posted a video on it about how I use ChatGPT to actually manifest my desires. It will be there. And as I told you, I started implementing all the tips that it gave me into my daily routine. And I asked ChatGPT to write me a perfect day about my career as YouTuber, as the person, as the woman who has it all, etc. And ChatGPT went way far than I would actually go. And ChatGPT wrote me that I have sponsorships, I have insane success, I have brands reaching out to me and all of that. And the first when I read it, I was like, brands? You have nearly no subscribers. You are just started, what brands? And I had insane doubts. When I was thinking about my YouTube channel, I was for sure like had affirmations like my videos are going viral, everyone loves watching my videos, etc. But brands? Sponsorships? No, that was impossible for me. I have not even been thinking about that. But after I started doing exactly what I'm going to tell you about, brands, not one, but couple, quite a handful couple, started reaching out to me, and I had to refuse to brands that reached out to me. And not only I'm happy to share with you my success story, but also let me then introduce you to someone important for today's video. Guys, I'm so excited to finally be able to introduce you to GraceHui, who is the partner of today's video. And GraceHui is not just a random jewelry brand, any other brand, but this is the brand that is fully aligned with the values that we are talking about on this channel, which are personal empowerment, self-growth, and the ultimate belief that we are the creators of our own reality. And let me tell you, when the team from GraceHui reached out to me, I have been so surprised and taken aback, because the first thing I did, I went to their website, I started browsing through, and I have been just shocked by how beautiful their pieces are. And no wonder, because GraceHui is the award-winning brand for everything, starting from their packaging and in their materials and in their designs. And if it tells you about something, GraceHui uses the same quality materials as Van Cleef & Arpels. And if it means something, you are able to enjoy the same luxury for the fraction of a price. And not only that, I want to introduce you today to their 5 Elements collection, which gives you not only the opportunity to wear extremely gorgeous pieces for any occasion, but also you can take any of them and turn them into the powerful element that will help you to empower yourself from within, support your inner strengths, attract more opportunities into your life, and just glow from within, from without, in every area of your life. Now look at how amazing these are. pieces are just incredible. I want to also start with how beautiful their packaging is, because guys, look at that. Not only like this by itself is the award-winning Oriental design, and like, you know, if I wanted to surprise my loved ones, my girlfriends, my mom, if I had a daughter, maybe her, they would be just looking at this box and they would be so happy with just looking at it. I really love it. And on top of that, GraceHui takes care not only about the external appearance, but also they provide you with the luxury materials to support your jewelry after you receive it. First of all, guys, take a look at this beautiful storage bag for your jewelry. When I touch it, this feels incredible, and this feels luxury. And not only that, but they also provide you with the silver polishing cloths that will help you to keep your jewelry lasting, shining, making you excited for longer than any other. Because honestly, when you buy jewelry, when you buy silver, how often do they provide you with anything like that? These are insane. Also, I want to talk more about their 5 elements collection, which was inspired by the ancient Chinese divination text, where they took the inspiration from the 5 major elements as water, wood, fire, earth, and metal, and help to integrate them into every area of our life, because each of these materials, each of these elements represent our emotions, our connection to our nature, and specific areas in everyone's life. You can choose any necklace from this collection for yourself that you would specifically want to empower one of the areas of your life, or you can do the same thing that I did, is basically take your date of birth and see which jewelry piece acts the best for you there. And mine is a metal cane necklace, and look at how beautiful this actually is. Look at how sparkling it is. This is amazing. And also on the back of the jewelry, you can also, I don't think it will be visible, but you can actually engrave your name or the name of your loved one and surprise them with the individual jewelry piece that they will be able to enjoy forever. And I have a funny story to support the idea how we actually can use jewelry for our reality creation. One time my friend gave me a gift which was also a jewelry piece, and he tricked me into thinking that this piece is magical and attracts luck. And if you're watching this, Kirill, hello. And you know, he can prove that everything I was saying just was materializing like that. This was insane. Now, girls and guys, if you want to surprise your loved ones or yourself with the beautiful pieces just like that, or any other that you have seen in the promo of this collection, you can also use the code JOURNEY, which gives you the 15% discount for any piece from this collection. So I hope that you enjoyed this beautiful piece just as I did here, as you see. And now let me tell you about how I actually manifested collaboration with brands. And again, I did nothing to get this. I did not reach out to any brand. I did not monitor which brands are working with the influencers, with small creators. I did not do anything for that. So basically, I have been just doing the things that I'm talking about on this channel. The first thing I started, as I already mentioned, I started listening to what ChatGPT had to say about my days as the YouTuber. And I was just working out and I again asked ChatGPT to write a really juicy hard text to make me crazy about it, you know. And I have been listening to it without any kind of like prejudice in my mind. And one day I literally did this for 2 days. On the second day, I go out from the gym and I see the email from GraceHui in my inbox. I was so surprised, guys. I honestly first thought that this is not real, if you know what I mean. And I did an insane due diligence on that. This is how much I refuse to believe that this is actually the new norm. And outside of just listening what ChatGPT has to say about it, I think that this is the thing that will make your dreams to happen the fastest. And basically this is your inner conversations. There are some certain things that you have to end up to finish if you want to get successful at manifesting. And this is talking bad, talking down on your dreams, talking down on yourself. And when I say this, I mean that you actually should stop talking about anything that is not benefiting your desires. So let's say when ChatGPT suggested me this like saying that brands are reaching out to me, like, yeah, I first like got in insane doubts. I was like, this is not happening. This, like, you have way too small channel for any kind of collaborations. And like, I thought about that, but then I was like, you are literally talking about manifesting, so like, shut up and just do your thing. Because what is it worth if you're not doing that? And I just started telling myself that like, my YouTube is doing so well. Yes, like, I have so many sponsorship, I have so many brand deals, like, and whatever, you know, and I stopped like checking 3D reality just as much as I basically could, by like 50%. Because this is another thing that is needed, is to refuse for any existence of your past self. I had 2 options. The first one is to read what ChatGPT suggested me, saying that, look, this is not happening, you have to hustle, you have to reach out to brands to get the sponsorships, you have way too small channel, like, you do not have the needed engagement yet whatsoever, like, you are not the perfect fit for that, so just shut up, make videos and all of that. Or second thing, I actually could shift myself, my inner state, to the state of the person, influencer, YouTuber, who actually gets what the fuck she is talking about, like great videos, great success, great deals, great collaborations, and just embody it as much as I could, and to stop bullshitting about statistics, algorithm, or whatever, and start actually being internally the person who I want to be, and do not allow the external reality to determine what is it that external reality shows me I am. And I have made also the video a couple of weeks ago. I will also put it there, about how you can manifest anything in 3 days. I did exactly this thing. I did not do anything else that I didn't tell you about on this channel. I do not have any courses. I do not have any guides for manifestation whatsoever. I am sharing what is working for me because I like it. And literally, I did this exact thing. Start speaking to yourself as the person who already has it. This is the only thing that you need to do. This is the only thing you need to do to manifest fast. Start talking to yourself as the person who already has it. Start embodying this version of you. This is how you manifest impossible. The only reason why some people manifest only small things and others can manifest big things is in your internal state to it. So let's say why it's easy to manifest a small saying, because you do not really have any negative self-talk regarding it. You do not think that you are not deserving of the free cup of coffee, or that you are not worthy of seeing the green or pink car or whatever, that you will never be able to make it, and or you're not the woman or not the man for whom green cars appear or whatever. So when you don't have this talk, this is how your sayings materialize. As I was saying in the GraceHui part, when my friend gave me the jewelry that empowered, like that gave me the feeling of luck, this is actually the moment when everything started coming out so fast and easy, because this jewelry piece just took away my unlucky girl syndrome. And by the way, this one gives the strengths for business decisions, opportunities, and perfect for business baddies, if you know what I mean. But anyway, like, the more you can empower yourself, whatever you can use to it, whether this is jewelry, whether this is just any kind of other amulets, to take away, or just even like program yourself, like pressing on some dots on your body that will tell you like, stop, we are not talking about that anymore. The more you actually can get yourself into the position where you are powerful, take away this fluff from your head that you are not deserving, not worthy, blah, 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 blah. This is when it starts coming. So, as I mentioned, I didn't do anything else but what I have been talking about on this channel. I did exactly it. And as I always say in my videos, do not just listen to me. Do what I say. For your own good, just try it out. For the next couple of days, actually concentrate on one thing that you want to manifest, and speak to yourself only as a person who already has the thing that you want. As always, if you feel comfortable, you can share these things in the comments, or just let me know how much you liked this video, how much you like the jewelry, and you always deserve way more than you can imagine. Love you, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon in my next video.